I'm Old Sneelock. You can't tell because I'm all wrapped up in this hood. No, it's not COVID. It's 15 degrees and it's really cold out here. So I'm going to plow the driveway and clear away all the stuff that's accumulated over the past, well, 48 hours. Not a whole lot of snow, but it's appreciable. It's more of a wind thing than anything else. We've got about maybe 6 inches of snow on average, but most of it is just drifting from the 15 to 20 mile an hour winds that we had yesterday. I guess it gusted up to 30. And today Alexis says the weather is such that the wind is about 7.2 miles an hour. I don't know where she gets the 0.2 from, but that's what she's got. I can see that the flag is flapping on the mailbox, so it's enough wind to sail, but it's not a whole lot of wind, so you got to worry about huge waves on the lake. Of course, huge waves this time of year, not likely to happen. So, I'm going to plow the driveway. Have the Toro ready to go, and I'm going to go out through the big drift in the middle of the drive and see if I can get this done. Driveway's done, sidewalk's done, access to the garbage cans is done. I'm pretty much done. I just got to go check the mail. We have mail. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. I'm going to go inside. My fingers are numb. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.